EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martins here with your outlook for the weekend, April 8th and 9th, 2023. It is Saturday. We do not have a daily forecast sponsor for Saturday any longer. So if you are interested, if you have a business, you would like to advertise for the weekend video forecast, please reach out to us at info@epawaweather.com. Again, that's info@epawaweather.com, and we will get you the information for this advertising spot. A lot of you have asked about, I've been waiting long and patiently for something to open up. Well, this is it. This is Saturday's video forecast is now available. We do have a system off to our south today. It's going to provide much of the same what we had yesterday, where you have clouds in the southern areas, more clouds than sun anyway, and northern areas are going to be more sun than clouds. So with the system passing off to our south today, we'll have that occur. As you can see that here on the NAM. As I start us off in the morning here, and we have a dividing line here across the southern regions, moving right along I-78. North of there, it's going to be mostly sunny in the morning. South of there, it's going to be mostly cloudy and then overcast far south. And as we move through the course of the day today, we're expecting those clouds to move a little bit further north, but this is just partly to mostly cloudy here in the interior, and then mostly cloudy further south is what we're expecting during the course of the day today, and that continues into the afternoon here on Saturday. And then finally, once we get to Sunday, we're expecting mostly sunny skies. But this weekend is going to be very cold relative to average. We're talking about temperatures 50 to 56 today, 54 to 58 on Sunday. And then we're going to step up those temperatures considerably once we get into next week. And we don't have anything to talk about here as far as precipitation, because there really isn't any in the week ahead. We have the system moving off the coast here on Sunday, leaving those mostly sunny skies. High pressure is going to move in its place. Mostly sunny both Sunday and Monday. Monday is going to get back into the 60s, getting back to near 70 here on Tuesday with intervals of cloud and sun. And same thing here on Wednesday with intervals of cloud and sun and temperatures in the upper 70s. And by the end of the week, Thursday, Friday, we're expecting 80s to come into the entire region. Both of those days, but no precipitation is expected this entire week. This goes all the way through the end of the week. This is Friday, late Friday, as a matter of fact, is what we're looking at here, and there's nothing through that entire 7-day forecast window. We're going to keep an eye on the system across the southeastern U.S. that the European model wants to keep off to the southeast of our region and not affecting our region next weekend at all. So next weekend would be also dry. Latest runs of the GFS as well is doing the same thing. So it was showing some showers here over the weekend, but GFS is now suggesting this is going to remain off to the south as well. So next week will be dry and still warm. Not quite as warm as we're expecting Thursday and Friday. Those are our peak heating days, so to speak, especially Friday, with temperatures in the middle 80s, as a matter of fact. And then once we get to Saturday and Sunday, temperatures are still going to be very warm. Near 80 on Saturday and in the 70s here on Sunday, but still, if this system remains off to the south like this, we're going to have a spectacular weekend for a change, which is a big change from what we're having this weekend. Even though it's going to be dry, it's going to be cooler. So a lot of you have been messaging me about that and saying, hey, it seems like we're having great weather in the week and the weekends are crap. Well, that is the case this weekend. At least we're not having any precipitation this weekend, but we are going to have the cooler temperatures. We'll see about next week, and we're continuing to follow this system here in the southeastern U.S. And see if it's going to be something that comes up further to the north and affects us next weekend or not. As of now, the latest runs are showing no, but we'll still continue to monitor that here in the week ahead. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martins. That is your outlook for the weekend, April 8th and 9th, 2023. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.